Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a new list on Microsoft Office 365 to-do list on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to Office 365, can be work, school or business. We also need to know how to use the to-do list. If you're not sure how to do that, in the previous tutorial, I did a 5-minute video to show you how to use Microsoft to-do list, the basics. You can review that before you come back to this. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now navigate to Office 365, go to to-do list. Let's now go all the way to the left hand side navigation menu, go to applications, click on to do. So let's now navigate to the left hand side menu again, go to new list. Let's create a new list, call this videos, enter, and there we have a new list created for the user, the consumer, the employee to use for a given purpose to complete the tasks that are required on a regular basis every day at work in order to get the job done. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.